not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. If anybody needs the PDF link of yesterday's grand test video, do download it mentioned in the description box. I've launched a giveaway for our valuable subscribers. First lucky winner was announced already. The second winner will be announced tomorrow itself. So you still have time to participate in the giveaway. Just follow the 5 instructions mentioned in the giveaway video and you will be automatically enrolled for it. Now let's start. Who is the first Indian to win the BWF World Tour Finals 2018? Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Shrikant Kidambi or Samir Verma? The answer is B. PV Sindhu. Now PV Sindhu became the first Indian to win the BWF World Tour Finals 2018. She beats Nozomi Okuhara in the finals. Now Nozomi Okuhara is a Japanese player. Vijay Divas is celebrated every year in India on which day? December 14th, December 15th, December 16th or December 17th? The answer is C. December 16th. Now Vijay Divas, also known as the Victory Day, commemorated every year on 16th of December in India as it marks its military victory over Pakistan in 1971 during the war for the independence of Bangladesh from Pakistan. Who is the new Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh? Bhupesh Baghel, Raman Singh, Ajit Jogi, PL Punia? The answer is A. Bhupesh Baghel is the new Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. Now he is representing from Patan Assembly constituency. You need to remember all the important leaders, assembly constituencies across India. Now he is preceded by the Raman Singh, who is the ex-Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. Now the Governor of Chhattisgarh is the Anandiben Patel. The one more important point you need to remember is the state of Chhattisgarh was created by the Government of India in 2000 in the month of November. Remember the month along with the year, very important, previously asked. Who is reinstated as the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? Maithripala Sirisena, Mahindra Rajapakse, Ranil Wickremesinghe, M. Jayaratne? The answer is C. Ranil Wickremesinghe is reinstated as the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. You need to remember Ranil Wickremesinghe party. He belongs to United National Party and Wickremesinghe was administered the oath of office by the President Maithripala Sirisena. Who is the founder of Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam? Karunanidhi, C.N. Annadurai, Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy, Jayalalitha? The answer is B. C.N. Annadurai is the founder of Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Very important, you need to know. The DMK was headed by Karunanidhi from 1969 to August 2018. Karunanidhi was an important leader in the DMK party. He served as a Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for almost 5 times. M.K. Stalin, the son of Karunanidhi, is the current president of the DMK party. Opposition parties' important leaders unite ahead of 2019 Lok Sabha poll. Now they unveiled the statue of Kalaignar, who is Karunanidhi, in the state of Tamil Nadu. National Energy Conservation Day is observed every year on which day? December 14th, December 15th, December 16th or December 17th? The answer is A. December 14th. Every year on December 14th, National Energy Conservation Day is observed. Very important. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency under the Ministry of Power celebrates every year. Now what is the main aim of this day? To avoid unnecessary use of energy and to use the least energy so that energy sources can be saved for the future uses. For example, you can use LED bulbs to conserve the energy. Which state coastal areas have been highly alerted due to the cyclone Pitai? Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu or Kerala? The answer is A. Andhra Pradesh. Now the state of Andhra Pradesh is highly alerted due to the cyclone Pitai. You need to remember the earlier cyclones, Cyclone Gaja which hit the state of Tamil Nadu and the Cyclone Titli which recently hit the states of Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. GSAT-7A satellite designed specifically for which of the following purposes? Military operations, weather forecasting, improving education sector or improving navigation. The answer is A. Military operations, very important from science and technology. Now GSAT-7A is an advanced military communication satellite meant exclusively for the Indian Air Force. Now the launching date is December 19, 2018 and the launching vehicle is GSLV F-11. Which state government announced childcare leave for its male employees? Kerala, Maharashtra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. The answer is B. Maharashtra. And the state government of Maharashtra announced childcare leave for its male employees in case their spouses are bedridden or mentally ill or unable to take care of their children. Now, the maximum limit of this leave would be 180 days. Which state recorded the most number of tiger deaths in the year 2018? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh or Karnataka? The answer is B. Maharashtra. The National Tiger Conservation Authority recorded the number of tigers in India until December 15, 2018. It observed almost 95 tiger deaths in 2018 itself. With Maharashtra, the most number of tiger deaths is recorded outside the reserves in 2018. Almost 14 tigers were dead in Maharashtra itself, followed by Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Uttarakhand. Which is the most visited state or union territory for foreign travellers in the year 2017? Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh or Delhi? The answer is B. Maharashtra. Now the state of Maharashtra is the most visited state for the foreign travellers in the year 2017. And domestic tourists visited the state Tamil Nadu the most in the year 2017. The states of Andhra Pradesh and Kerala have topped among the states with higher GSDP coming from tourism. Which country won the Hockey World Cup 2018? Netherlands, Belgium, Australia or England? The answer is B. Belgium. Very important, Belgium won its maiden Hockey World Cup. It defeated Netherlands in the finals. Let's see the question for the day. Who is crowned as a Miss Universe 2018? Catriona Gray, Vanessa Pons, Gloria Diaz, Angela Pons. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the quote for the day. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. So always have a strong determination and stop worrying about your failures. This is it for today. Do participate in the giveaway. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.